Hi, my name's Darcy and I'm here with this month's environmental tip. With all the natural disasters that keep happening lately, I want to give you a tip on how you can prepare for any disaster. The best way to prep for any environmental occurrence is to have a natural disaster kit ready to go. You can go online and find a handful of kits that match your price range, environment, and family size. But you can also create your own to meet your exact needs. And to help with that, here are my top 5 things to include in every emergency kit. 1. Include a basic first aid kit for any injuries. 2. Have a flashlight and whistle to alert those nearby. 3. Pack enough food and water for everyone for at least 3 days. 4. Make sure to pack extra batteries, including a backup battery for your cell phone. A solar charger would probably be best. And 5. Include a map of your area with clear destinations for you and your family to meet at if you're all separated. Have these 5 simple things prepped in a backpack near an exit, and you will be more prepared than most for anything this environment has to throw at you. Well, that's it, and stay tuned for next week's tip.